Have you ever wondered what to do with the wall within the arch here? Now, I have an idea here. I am Jean from Goodrich Global, and I'm going to give you an idea of what you can do with that wall within the arch. Consider using a wall covering mural that is going to give you that modern look and that particular nature-inspired feel. Embrace simplicity, clean lines, and functionality by also using nature and dark colors and to create that wonderful feel for your living space. What is a Japandi interior style? Have you wondered what is Japandi? Minimalistic, modern, and yet bringing nature into your home. So why not use a wall mural complementing your wall as a frame picture? So making your living space really serene and harmonious. I'd like to follow us for part 2 for more interior updates and trends.